Welcome to Padmapuram Botanical Gardens. A picturesque botanical garden located just 6 kilometers away from the enchanting Araku Valley. Established in 1942 across a sprawling 26-acre landscape, this garden holds a unique history as it was created to supply vegetables to soldiers during World War II. After the war, Padmapuram Botanical Garden transformed and became a horticultural nursery and training center under the Andhra Pradesh Tribal Welfare Department of Paderu. Today, it stands as a testament to the beauty of nature, showcasing rare flowers, trees, tree houses, and captivating stone sculptures. One delightful way to explore the gardens is by hopping on to the Araku Express toy train, a favorite among visitors. As the train winds its way through the lush greenery, guests are treated to the sight of treetop huts, also known as hanging cottages, perched 10 feet above the ground. Imagine the thrill of staying in one of these hanging cottages, surrounded by the natural wonders of Padmapuram Gardens. Beyond its recreational appeal, Padmapuram Botanical Garden boasts an impressive collection of trees and plants, with informative displays providing visitors with insights into the rich biodiversity of the region.